bust that tin mackerel. And we're going to flash it out. That's why this big can't come out. Come on, Jack. And save the tin, guys, because I'm going to rinse it out. Alright, so just use a knife. Open up your mackerel and take out whatever you don't want out of it. Alright, so this is a big mackerel, so the bone them big, so I would advise you guys to take the bone out. Open out the other one. Put it on an angle here. You can see. I hope so. I'll just take out the bone from the middle.